Yes. Welcome back to the channel. This is Mark Days. I'm back at y'all with another unboxing. This time, this is my Gucci Ophidia medium messenger bag for men. My wife was kind enough to gift me such a situation right here. By the way, I think in the description, I'll leave a link to her Gucci bag unboxing in case any ladies come across this video and want to see the woman's version of this bag. I'll leave that in the description. Or in case any guys come across this video and you're trying to get an idea for what to get your lady and you want to see the woman's version of this bag. We had an amazing experience shopping in Gucci at the Forum Shops at Caesar's Palace, Las Vegas. Shout out to my guy, Jason. Took really good care of us, man. Put us in a private room. So I was there with my family, my wife and kids, and we were able to just kind of relax and pick and, you know, kind of see which ones we wanted to get into. This was the one that I settled on. I really like this one right here. The pattern actually matches my wife's female version of the Ophidia bag. I think she has the large tote, if I'm not mistaken. So as we can see, I'm just getting some of the paper out. Came with a nice dust bag, came with a nice box. No Diddy, came with an amazing presentation. So I'm just taking some of the paper out, taking a look inside there, just admiring that beautiful Gucci print and just the craftsmanship and that next level. Everybody who knows me knows I'm kind of a Coach guy. I love my Coach bags and my wallets and my Coach everything. But, you know, at some point you just got to start to level it up a little bit, man. And this was my first step to really leveling it up to the very next level, which is stepping up to the Gucci, you know. So shout out to the Gucci folks, man. They took great care of us. They brought us Saratoga, you know, water, and put us in a beautiful room where we were able to just kind of chill. My wife was able to try on different things, and they brought us as many bags as we wanted to see so we could make a decision. It was a really amazing experience. So shout out to Gucci, Caesar's Palace, Forum Shops. And shout out to everybody out there that's watching. This is Mark Day signing off. God bless. Peace be unto you.